Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase cybersecurity with RiskLens, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively increase cybersecurity using RiskLens, start by understanding the concept of risk management. Begin by identifying the specific cybersecurity risks your organization faces. Gather data on potential threats, vulnerabilities, and the assets you need to protect. Next, assess the potential impact of these risks on your organization's operations. Utilize qualitative and quantitative measures to evaluate these risks. RiskLens provides a platform to visualize and analyze risk using financial metrics. Leverage this tool to determine the monetary value of potential cybersecurity breaches. After quantifying the risks, prioritize them based on their impact and likelihood. Develop a comprehensive strategy to mitigate the highest priority risks. Involve stakeholders across all levels to ensure buy-in and effective implementation. Establish clear communication channels for sharing information on cybersecurity risks. Regularly review and update your risk assessment to reflect new threats and changes in your organization. Consider conducting tabletop exercises to test your cybersecurity response plans. Implement ongoing training and awareness programs for employees to recognize threats. Utilize RiskLens to continuously monitor and manage your cyber risk posture. Finally, establish metrics to measure the effectiveness of your cybersecurity initiatives. With these steps, your organization can build a robust cybersecurity framework using RiskLens. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.